this street. Bro, that street look mad capable, bro. What street is that? That look like a good street. I'm just trying to find a good street to give y'all a pull before it get too hot. Cause I just know police be camping this spot. It's a BMW. You don't want no smoke. Oh, you don't want no smoke. Oh, you don't want no smoke with me. Please don't do it. Please. Matter of fact, please do it. Come on. You don't want no smoke. Fuck. Don't do that. Don't do that, big dog. I was waiting for you to do it. Don't do that. I was waiting for you to do it. Don't do that. Man, this ain't that, boy. What's wrong with him? I knew he was gonna do something crazy when I seen the back of his car. That's an XM4. Don't do that. This ain't no little boy. We get active. We get active. Yeah. Look, now you wanna cruise, yeah. Leave my car alone. Yo, leave my car alone, big dog. You don't want no smoke. Yo. Oh, that's an XM5. An X5, my bad. He didn't want to get active. He knew exactly what it was. That boy didn't want to get active with me. He didn't want to get active with me. Yeah. So we do the cars like that. They don't know what they got. Make them put their cars up, man. We out here to bully. What's wrong with them? We out here to bully. It's a Tesla. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't really fooling with no Tesla, bro. Them mugs ain't slow. You don't want no smoky. Wrong with that Tesla. Tesla don't want no parts of me. Yeah. Holmes Road. Oh yeah, this is really where we get jiggy at. Ooh. Oh yeah, we could do 0 to 60s all down here. Yeah, oh, I'll give y'all some pulls. I'll give y'all that all down here. Matter of fact, let's go down this way. There really ain't no cars coming through here. Give y'all them 0 to 60s. Let's see. Hold on. Make sure the coast is clear, cause make sure nobody behind me. I'll be good. Cruise, this car coming down there. Boy, I seen all that power, but that shit knocked my damn phone down. I ain't never seen nothing like that. Some power right there. That true power. Oh. True M power. And the speed limit 50, so this just makes it perfect. Like, I'm gonna give y'all like 2 more. We're gonna end the video on that note. Yeah, give y'all 2 more of these. Make sure everything good with my car. All right, the temperature's good. Let's check out oil too. Hold on, y'all. Let's check out oil real quick. I'm gonna pull somewhere and check this oil. Car safety is #1 key. Hold on, bro. Let's pull up in here real quick. Car safety is #1 key when you're driving these cars, bro. You gotta make sure your car good at all costs. So, take a little break. Let's see. Boom, vehicle settings, engine oil, boom, boom. Sit and we wait. All right, man, so I checked my oil. It was all good. We ready to roll. I'll give y'all one more. Want to try to launch my car, but it's like I haven't figured out exactly how to do that. Really, I'm gonna have to do some more research on my car, because I swear every time if I hold my brake and my gas, I don't think that works. Because I tried that. We'll see. That kind of did it, I guess. All right, one more for the books. One more for the books, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Like, comment, subscribe. This type of stuff y'all want to see. So I'm bringing it for y'all. I'm bringing it for y'all, man, so y'all can see it. That's what y'all want to see. That's what I'm bringing it. That's what I'm bringing for y'all, so y'all can watch. Give y'all some entertaining content. You know what I'm saying? All right, they probably won't be smart to do a pull from right here, huh? And that right there is gonna conclude today's POV. You know what I'm saying? If you liked it, again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man, because I'm bringing y'all bangers, bro, all year long. All year long. I'm trying to get to 1K. Matter of fact, let's see. We need to get, bro, we need to be at 1K subs. Right now we at like 265. We need to be at 1K subs or near it by the end of January, February, bro. If we don't get it by that time, I don't know. But we most definitely need to get it. That's why I'm gonna need y'all help to help me get it. But yeah, man, that's gonna be all for today's video.